guys, good afternoon. Welcome back. Welcome
to our channel.
Today is Good Friday. What's the date today, Rob?
I don't know. Good Friday.
Good Friday.
Good Friday, the 15th. I think 15th of April. Nakabihis na kami, guys. Si Baby Celine na lang ang aming hinihintay. Kasi, ang ating baby lang aking buhok. Uy, ano, yung buhok ko nakakahiya naman ang buhok ko eh. Si Baby Celine natin ay tulog pa. It is currently 2:30 ng hapon. And aalis kami. So, bukas, uuwi na yung mama ni Daddy Mike. And, gusto namin siyang dalhin. Wow, close lahat today naman. So, gusto namin siyang dalhin sa city. Pero sa, ano lang, sa garden, sa park, yung mga ganun ba. Kasi nga, diba, na-mention ko na sa inyo na first time niya dito sa Brisbane. Kaya gusto namin siyang tour. Although, guys, hanggang ngayon ay wala pa rin dito ang sasakyan namin. So, yeah, it sucks. But, what can we do? So, mag-ano na lang kami, mag-Uber na lang kami papunta doon.
I want to turn the TV a little bit loud.
A bit louder? Are you sure?
Yeah.
So where are you going to first? Kangaroo Point?
No, South Bank.
You really think so? No. We're going to Botanical Gardens first. Not South Bank.
Which one is that? Is that across the
Yeah,
road
where we went-
from
where
the
we were
Royal,
staying.
whatever? Oh, yeah. Oh, we'll go there first.
What's it called again? Where was the place we're staying?
A Royal on the Park. Yeah.
Was that closer or was that apartments?
Huh?
Was that closer or was the apartments closer?
Which apartment?
The apartments we're staying. The big one. With the cold pool.
Oh, that's the same, Bob. Oh, closer to the thing, 'cause it's just across the road. It's
Which
Royal
ones?
on the Park.
Royal Park?
Yes.
1980.
Yes.
Yeah. Sorry, let's go. Come on.
All right.
I guess we're
Cars to
ready.
go. Ready, steady, go.
Where's Daddy go?
Come on, let's go change Celine's clothes.
Okay,
Oh,
Celine ready.
we'll get Celine ready.
Mine not yet. Let
Why?
me watch for a little bit.
Okay. Ang ating baby Celine ay nakahubad na tulog. Mas maganda kasi yung tulog niya kapag Hi! Hi! Alam niyo ba, guys? Ang galing nito niya ba? Kasi, pag tulog siya, kinukuha ko tong ano niya, yung dami niya, tapos ilalagay ko sa gilid. Siguro in the middle sa kanyang, pagtulog ay parang inaabot niya. Hello! How are you? How are you, my toothy pig? Show me your teeth. We're going out, do you know that? Do you know where we're going? Do you? Tiki, double chin. Double chin. Did you have a good nap? Did you have a good nap? You tell Mama. So this is what Celine is wearing today. Oh, cute. I love you, Bobby Gill. Love sa Mama, baby. Huh? See? You want to see yourself? Yeah. Hi. Kaya si Mama, be. Ang love mo na ni Mama, be. Okay. We'll put this on now so we can go, okay? Because what time is it now? It's nearly 3 o'clock and we still haven't got you ready. I'll get you a nappy. She's all dressed up now. Daddy's gonna pick her up now. Where is Celine going? Where is Celine? Psst. Hi, hi, beautiful girl. You are so cutie, cutie, cutie girl. You are so cutie, cutie, cutie girl. You're so cutie, cutie, cutie boy. There's one sleepy girl. There is one sleepy girl there. Turn it off now, my love, so we can go. Celine is ready now. Celine is ready. You gonna bring your water? Come on. Sleepy to siya kasi niya. Oh, very tired. Yeah, because she didn't sleep before. Look at Celine. You're tired. See, she looks lighter now, Mom. She looks lighter, but then yeah, sometimes she does look like
Tired. She's not tired. She's very happy, but
buttocks. Did you have a feeler, Celine? Alright. Alright. Come on, the baby king.
oh, these blokes have been going since like 6 in the
Ate
morning.
Paris.
They're absolutely smart.
So Ate Paris and Daddy Mike and the pram will go in one. Huh? What bag?
Got the bag.
Which bag?
The one like the one I packed with.
It's alright, I've got the biscuit in my bag. Oh, good. Ayan, tapos, Celine and Lola Karen and Mama will go on a different Uber, guys. Ayan yung Uber. Oh, is it sure? Yeah, it's $20. We'll go to thing first.
We're going to the same place, just different Ubers.
Yeah, unfortunately, we can go in one car, in one Uber.
Oh, no.
Yeah, okay, let's do it now so we can get there at the same time. Paris! After where?
After the park, we're gonna go on the Uber to miss you.
We'll see you there, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see you there. Celine, we'll see you there. Honey girl! I think this is it. I think this is us, Mom. Our Uber is here. Come on, let's...
A few moments later.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can book one for you, Mom.
I reckon that might be better because it's cheaper than $50-something.
Yeah, yeah,
Might
no
not be.
problem.
Might not be.
It might not be.
Dito kami, guys.
You can try.
Royal in the
Let's put
park.
it this way. It won't be more. It will be either the same or...
Same, yeah.
Hi.
Remember dito kami nagstay before, guys? At dyan. Ayan, dito kami nagstop kasi ang park ay nandyan lang. Yes, what is it now? Yeah, we can put it in the pram. Oh no, Daddy left the thing, the bottom.
Which one?
The bottom part of the pram. You're gonna sit there now because Mommy's arm is going to fall off. See? Huh? Are you gonna sit in the pram? Yes, now.
I'll get Daddy to put this on the pram.
What is it now?
But I really want to go on the prom class.
Why? You should walk.
Can we have 4 wheels
Careful,
over
Daddy,
there?
someone's behind you.
Hi,
I love it.
I do not like it. Someone's going to get knocked over. I really have a few times in Ballarat.
Yeah. The hair is really big here.
Can we go?
Yeah, we're going in there.
Okay, I'm gonna put Celine down now.
Then can we look at Daddy?
You excited, Paris?
Yeah, do you remember we used to
if
went
you
there
ever go to-
and we saw a new
If you want to
fish?
go... Yeah, so you know where
that's
we are.
right. Exactly. Very
Like-
good memory.
And last
That
time
way. That way.
when
You'll be...
Daddy and me
Yeah,
went
I saw that. It was
over
Edward
there, we
You
Street.
see the lizard.
No. It was a crocodile, but it was so
Ah,
tiny.
crocodile. Yeah.
It was so
That's
little,
right.
mine.
It was so little, exactly.
Yeah.
Daddy, I want to get like the waffle, Daddy.
Mom,
The waffle.
I wanna go there.
What?
The waffle. It's in the corner. Adam. I think they're open. Ang dami bin tao dito sa city. So this is just like 1 block or 2 blocks, Mom, and that's the city.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, that's the main. Yeah.
Good.
Was staying in there before.
No, that's not the one that. Ito tour namin ang kanyang Modrak House dito, guys. Tingnan niyo. Oh. Ang mag-twins.
What do you want to say?
I wanna see fish there. Yeah. Like, can we do that?
Yeah.
Wow, perfect day today. Hindi mainit. Pero alam niyo, nag-blazer ako ba kasi kanina hindi lumabas sa haring araw at mukhang maginaw sa labas. Yes, nice.
I want to go in there.
Nice.
We can see animals in there.
Yeah, we can. Which one would you like to see?
I want to see fishes.
Fish?
Yeah.
What else? The little crocodile?
Yeah, like again.
Okay.
Come a little bit closer, guys. That's what's up.
You can go.
I might come.
Come. I'll go with you.
Because I don't want to get so scared.
Ito yung ginagawa ng mga tao sa Good Friday, guys. Walking sa park.
My carry. I carry.
Gary, have a look. It's not clear at all, my love.
It's okay. You have to wait, Mom.
Huh?
Just wait for. Just wait.
Just wait.
Yeah.
Wait for what?
Wait for the fish to come.
Okay.
Mine.
Oh,
Hold it.
What is it?
My dad hold it.
Oh, fix your...
I can hold it.
Sure, my love.
Look, my helmet.
It's a helmet. Someone put a helmet there. Lini, Baba. Psst. Psst. Hey. Carry down.
Actually, I don't want to see a little crocodile. Maybe I should look for a starfish.
Starfish?
Yeah,
I don't think so, my love.
Hey Paris, what's that?
What is it?
There.
Is it an eel?
Where? Oh yeah, that's big.
what?
Oh wow. You can't even show on the camera. Here now. Can you see her now? Lili. Hindi ko pa rin siya naisasama sa vlog, guys. Nahihiya ako. Hayaan niyo, nakita niyo na lang ang kanyang likuran.
I'm a little bit too scared.
Why?
I don't know, it's too long.
Paris, it's later now.
Sorry, show us all this.
Are you sure you did it properly? No, I can see your I don't know why Mike put that on. It's too short for her now.
You got a bit of a booty. A bit of a booty.
Flashing your bum. Oh, goodness. Yeah, baby's crying. City Botanic Gardens. Place shaped like a spike. Myanjin.
Like I said, like all of this would have been really nice. Actually, it was really nice, but the bloody the floods like would have destroyed it. And South Bank got really flooded.
Very green.
Listen, you hear the garfado?
You knock it yourself. Go, go.
But it's too hard.
Huh?
Too hard.
You can do it. Go knock and see if the Gruffalo will come out. Knock, knock. Nothing?
I didn't knock it harder.
You didn't knock harder?
Yeah, we need someone stronger to do it.
Alright, now let's go now because they're leaving us. Quick, 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 quick.
Nice.
Uuwi na yung mama niya bukas, guys. Ang bilis ng 1 week. Grabe.
Nice.
Yeah.
Knock one of these. Knock on it.
Do it, Daddy. It's just not gonna stop until you do it. See?
The Gruffalo's coming.
I got so scared.
Coming on the train.
Oh. Oh, look.
Are you happy? Yes. Mom, she's there taking photo.
You'll learn when you get bigger.
Sobrang ganda dito, guys. Ito yung merong mga lights paggabi. May mga tao nga pupunta dyan sa baba o nagpapapicture. How old is this tree you reckon, Daddy? Hundreds?
Probably more.
So yeah, hundreds. Could you smell the mud?
Yeah.
May mangrove dyan, guys, oh. Ang pita. Bahuas sa pita. Good dire. Amoy pita, guys. Amoy pita. Mangrove pa more. See, this is the first time we came here after the big bad flood last month. Slow tide pala. Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Yan, oh, sa gitna. Oh, it's ferry terminal. Dahil sa flood last time, nag-move dyan. My goodness, eh. Grabe talaga yung ano ba? Flood. Ayan, oh, sira talaga siya, guys. Dyan. Bakit kaya hindi nila fix yan? Dito kami, guys. Tourist na naman kami ulit. The Paris? Walk, anak.
Like completely.
Well, how are we gonna have a picnic?
We'll have to find food so we can do picnic.
Well, I would love to have.
Ang daming tao ba? Nak. We need food to have picnic. Tingnan nyo, guys, surprise talaga kami. Hindi namin akalain kasi Good Friday, di ba? Akala namin walang open. Open pala yung ano nila, Friday night market nila ba? Kaka-ready nga lang nila. Tingnan nyo. Cute. There's popcorn. I've got these potato twirl and I've still got corn. Okay, Daddy Mike, tingnan nyo. Come on. Mami ni Daddy Mike ay sumasok dyan. Bumibili siya ng drink. Iced chocolate and hot chocolate from Max Brenner Chocolate ba? Lini! Lini! Ito siya paiyak-iyak. Oh, kailangan ilabas sa kanyang pram. Uy!
Yeah?
Yeah, big one.
Good job.
I'll put it on there.
Do you want to live in Brisbane or Melbourne?
Sobrang ganda ng
I'll
panahon,
throw this in
guys.
there.
Okay.
Because this is not,
Nak, mamsa naman yung buhok na. Tingnan nyo guys, to, ang isang kamay ko merong hawak na corn. Ang sarap-sarap ng mais, grabe. My goodness, grabe. Sarap-sarap ah.
I'm touching the water. That's not allowed to do it.
Be careful you went for... Oh, the queue is long ba?
I think my mum's already been.
Oh, yeah? Is she just waiting now?
Oh, my.
I'll try bite.
No.
No.
I'll play some more rock. Well,
Are you eating your corn?
no campfiring it.
Fine. Nakaupo kami dito. Ang ating daddy Mike saka yung mami niya ay pumunta ng bumibili ng something for dinner namin. So magpipitsa. Pizza. Magpipitsa lang kami, guys. Tapos uupo kami doon malapit sa sa river. Tapos yun na. Look, what happened to your popcorn? Where did you put it? Oh no! Oh no! Namangha talaga ako, guys. Akala ko talaga na very quiet dito. So, it turned out na sobrang daming tao. Anyway, it's very annoying, guys, na hanggang ngayon uuwi na lang yung mama ni Daddy Mike ay wala pa rin yung sasakyan namin. Hindi namin siya nadala kung saan-saan. At least dito ngayon, dito lang sa city. So, hindi talaga sa medyo malayong lugar, kahit na Gold Coast or whatever, diba? Pero wala talaga, guys. Kasi, yung ating sasakyan, dapat sana kahapon. So, nakatanggap ng message si Daddy Mike kahapon na unfortunately, na-change daw to next Wednesday. So, sabi ko naman kay Daddy Mike na there's no high hopes kasi kahit na sabihin nila na nandito na sila, kahit na sabihin nila na magiging kahit na sabihin nila na magiging available ng Thursday, deep in my heart, alam na alam ko, guys, na alam nila yun na hindi siya magiging ready by Thursday, but sinasabi lang nila just for the sake of, telling us good news, pero fake news naman pala. So, anyways,
I try one.
the main thing is Paris had fun with Lola Karen, yeah? Did you enjoy being with Lola Karen for the last few days?
I wish he'd be here again.
She'll come again soon. Sabi naman ng lola niya, guys, na she'll come back before the end of the year. Okay. Nak, they're there na, nako. Let's go. Can you see them? Punta na kami dun, guys, kasi doon sila pumunta sa kabila. Kasi it's more, pino yung kanilang, it's more green ang kanilang grass doon kasi dito. The grass is greener on the other side. Alright, honey, pick that up, please. Straight to the pizza. Lainey! Hi! What are you doing?
I'll give you this one.
I like pizza.
Hello. Celine, you can have the pizza through Mama.
Guys,
Where's your toy? Huh? Where?
Work.
Ang mama ni Daddy Mike, ayun taking photos. Ayan, sobrang ganda dito. So, it's nearly 6 o'clock na ata ngayon. Akala ko ulan ng malakas kanina, guys. Nag-start na kasing ano ba sa Tagalog yung talithi, guys? Looks so cool. Ano pala to siya? University. Yan oh. University yan dyan. This one, I'm not too sure. I think it's the same. Daddy! Baba! Is this university as well? The old building? Very old building. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda dito kasi kahit hindi Christmas, meron Christmas lights. Dari Mark has to keep moving. Si Celine ay paiyak-iyak kapag nag-stop.
A few moments later.
Buh. 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 Uy.
Right, it's really nice. Okay.
Where are you going?
Chicken. Mom, give me the chocolate.
Give me a kiss.
You just want to get something, don't you, Paris?
Give me a kiss. A kiss. Give me a kiss. What would you like?
The chocolate.
Chocolate.
I want some caramel. I want some caramel with strawberry at the bottom. I want some caramel with strawberry and then I'm going to give you some whipped cream. All over Mummy's tummy.
Wow.